Liquidware and Citrix have a brand new innovative integration that allows for FlexApp One packages to be directly launched on Citrix VDAs. All the integration requires is access to Citrix Web Studio and packaged FlexApp One packages living on a network share. To get started in showing how this integration works, in Web Studio of Citrix DAS on the left-hand side, we are going to go to the App Packages node. Once in the App Packages node, we are going to go to the Sources tab. From the Sources tab, we are going to add a new source where our FlexApp packages live. I'm going to give this new source a friendly name, define a delivery group to perform my application discovery, check the box for network share, uncheck App V, check FlexApp, and once I'm satisfied with everything on this page, I am going to click Add Source. Clicking Add Source forces a discovery of any FlexApp One packages living on that network share. Once the new source is added, you will see that the package type is FlexApp as we defined earlier. We are going to go over to the Packages tab, and we're going to see that I have a 7-zip file manager application, and its description type will be FlexApp One package as well as being the 7zip.exe. The next step here is to assign the application to a delivery group. And I'm going to uncheck the 7zip help file as we just are interested in deploying the file manager application. And then I'm going to select the appropriate delivery group where we want to launch these applications from. I'm going to confirm all of the settings here and click the Finish button. After we assign the FlexApp One application to our delivery group, on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to the Applications node. And then here we will see the 7-zip file manager FlexApp One application available. I'm going to drag this application into my FlexApp One folder for organizational purposes only. And then I'm going to change the properties of the application and put a name in there that includes that it is a FlexApp One package. If I need to perform any more limiting visibility of the application, I can do so as such. After I'm done renaming the 7-zip file manager application to include FlexApp One, it is now ready for me to test launch the application. I am going to hit the gateway service of this Citrix DAS tenant and authenticate as a user that has access to the application. Once authenticated, I'm going to add this application to my favorites and subsequently launch the application as normal. Once the 7-zip file manager is fully loaded, I can interact with it as I normally would. At this point in time, it can be used as any other Citrix-based published application. Next, I will launch a virtual desktop session to show how the integration combines the FlexApp One packages into the start menu of a full desktop session. I log in as a user that has access to a virtual desktop. Give it a second while it enumerates that new desktop. In this case, I'm launching a Citrix with FlexApp One desktop. As the desktop logs in, if I go out to my start menu, I'm going to see the 7-zip application become available for me to launch. I launch the application as normal and as if the application was installed on the system. This concludes this demo.